Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. Another day in the market. Let's go get this money, man. Got some urgent buys and urgent sales. Let's get to it. Your money, your future. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch my recent videos. Share my channel also. All right, man. Urgent buys, urgent sales. We're going to start off with Wendy's. I've been giving y'all this play for the longest. Been updating y'all with this. Whether you was listening or not is on you. But I made me some money. Made me right here. Made $315 today on the swing trade on Wendy's. It got up. They had good earnings. They opening some new stores in China and everything for 2026. Closing down non-profitable stores in the United States. So they're expanding a little bit. Still gonna pay the dividend. Ex-dividend date June 1st. Gonna pay out on the 5th, 14 cents a share. It's at 7.12 right now. We're gonna see how long it's gonna last. It's probably gonna do like it always do, dip right back down below $7, and I'm gonna keep swing trading it over and over. Anyway, man, I sold 527 shares at 7.32. Got up to 7.47. As you can see, I made $314.67. I had 527 shares at $6.72. Average cost. Sold them at 7.32. The difference between the prices $314.67. So that's what it's about, man. Like I told you, I'm gonna do more swing trading. This year I'm trying to make me at least an extra $50,000 just in swing trading on top of my I'm projected this year if I get $8,000 to make at least $96,000 in dividends this year by itself. So one thing about it, you're gonna have to pay them taxes, but I'd rather be owing knowing I'm making money than getting a refund back. Anytime you get a refund, mean you ain't making money or you had a bunch of really you didn't. Mean your expenses were higher than your revenue or your income. But we're gonna get into that. That's another story. That was that with Wendy's. Another one had bad earnings was PSEC, Prospect Capital. Like I tell y'all, when you're dealing with these high yielding REITs and BDCs, expect a dividend cut, especially if it's a 10% yield and over. It's at 245. I added on the 1,000 shares. Got a dividend coming right now. It used to pay 4.45 cents a share a month. It reduces dividend to 0.35 cents. So it's a sell off that always happens. Last time it went from 6 cents to 4.5 cents. Now it's going down. So still can't get a better yield. Still got a 19.64% dividend yield. I added 1,000 shares on today at 245. I will be selling them the 1,000 when they go up. Like I say, people just reacting, doing a panic react to them. I'm about to add another 2.45. Add another 100 shares on right now. Like I say, these 1,100 shares, I will be selling them, making me a little bit of profit. And that's gonna be that. We'll keep the rest for the dividend, but I think PSEC, I'm gonna start doing a swing trade on this weekly. AFCG on its way back up. It's at 335 right now. I got 290 shares of 409. I'm up 15%. I need to set a stop limit order. I'm gonna set my stop limit at $3. As it go up, I'm gonna move it. Stop order at $3. Sit out August 6th. I'm at 290. I'm gonna do the whole thing, man. Just kick me. I go put that money in another place. 4.9 at $3. That's my stop price. If it come down and touch that at $3, it's gonna automatically kick me out. But I will move it up as long as it goes up. AFCG. I'm gonna go with SRLC. This had bad earnings the other day. Still pay 10 cents a share, 10.2 cents a share every month. 13.51. It's at 13.48. I am buying a dip on this one for the monthly cash flow. Does pay out every month. Throw y'all another bone. GIS, General Mills. It's going to make a nice swing trade when it's decide to stay up. But it's a nice dividend play to have, too. That's what most people buy it for. 6.83% dividend yield. 52-week low 33.58, high 55.35. Never going to see that high again. You might get $40 just to let you know. That thing hit like $38, sell it. Because people going to be taking profits, rinsing and repeating it. We're going to go with Hormel Foods next. It's at 20.61. Go in and get your 5.61% quarterly dividend payout. 31.86 is the high. 52-week high. Got Whirlpool, WHR. Coming on down, P ratio 16. Do this have room to come down some more? Yes, it does. Boom, 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 boom. Dividend yield, 9.23%. All this stuff I'm buying at this $45 range. When it shoot up a little bit, I'm selling it, rinse and repeat. It's at a 16. You actually want to catch this at a 12 and under. So dollar cost average in, don't load up. Let's check out Flower Foods while I'm thinking of it. At 8.52, price target of $9, 11.55% yield. Buy it at 9 and under and sell it at 9. You can get around. You just got a 52-week low of like $7.94. You can catch around the $8 range. Be a good time to do it. That's how I lower my average cost. I got an average cost of $8.74. SRLN will get you $5 a day of this. It's over 7% yield. Pay out every month. Jeppy. This one, along with JPQ, be another one you can put on $1 a day, recurring every day, and just let it buy, and you'll be straight with just those. This got a 9% dividend yield, 9.78 every month. So when it got me some of that, let's look at Microsoft. MSFT, I buy $3 worth of this every day at market price. I'll get you some Microsoft, MSFO. Down to $12.26 today. These shares got up to $13. So I got this on, I think, $2 a day recurring. Go get me a couple more of this. SVOL will get you $5 worth for this one. I went and got $5 a day of this one, especially at 16 and under. Pays 28 cents a share every month. I went and got some HOOW, added some hood. Added me $5, with $3 worth today. This pays out every week. When I got some XLF. The State Street Financial ETF. As it again, pause the video and look at it. Those are the top 10 holdings. I'm gonna keep on going. Pfizer came on down today. I added some Pfizer on. You catch Pfizer at 26 and under. That's a buy, 6.5% yield. Pay out every quarter. Main Street Capital had bad earnings. 50. Though I tell you about these BDCs and these REITs, man, they not putting out profits, making the revenue they was making before back in the day. Check out the 52-week high on Main Street. $67. Look where it is now, 5.37% yield. People still gonna buy it. I don't think it's the stock it was, before. Still get that 5.37% yield every month. PE ratio still low. So one day it might have some hope for later. I'm going to just hold on to it for that reason and go back to that $67 range. I'm out. Just telling you that now. I brought some SoFi. Definitely got to buy it. Time is 16 and under. I add on. This is for the future anyway. I gotta tell you, I'm doing a lot more swing trading this year. I want to make me additional $50,000. So you gonna have to buy. I'm gonna use margin. Be buying and selling, buying and selling. Can't do this with every stock now. Got to know what you buying and what you selling and how to sell it and when to sell it. DOC. I did sell my position in DOC. Why did I do it? Like I said, it's another REIT. Nothing bad about it. I had good earnings, 6.21% yield every quarter. Not bad. I mean, I can get other stuff paying out monthly with a 10% yield plus. It got up in 1987. I got out like at 1984. Matter of fact, got out right at 1987. I set it at the 52-week high. It reached that. It came on down. I can show you Robinhood pulls up. Today's high is 1987. Anyway, got rid of that one. Like I say, P ratio is at 61. I'm operating lean on the REITs and BDCs, taking my profits. Some of them are running, putting them into an option income ETF. Still buying some REITs and BDCs, but the ones that pay out every quarter, I'm pretty much dumping. I'd rather have my money every month. ABR, unless I'm gonna just swing trade them. ABR had bad earnings. They missed earnings. This came down. It's got a 52-week low of 701. I am going to start the dollars cost average down in this one at 720 and lower. I think it didn't cut his dividend, pay 30 cents every quarter, so you still get a nice yield. So we're going to see what's going to happen there. Watch the video. I will keep you informed. ORC, 10 cents a share every month. You know, they reduced it to 10 cents from 12 cents. That's why the price came down. Still a great buy. Got down to 693s at 701. I go get me 2 shares of this just about every day. Just in case it want to come lower. Just to add on to my position. One I didn't forget about, they missed their earnings also, was PMT. Penny Max, gonna be a good one to swing trade here. Got down to 1087, that's 1102. Still got a 14.44% yield. They missed their earnings. Like I tell you, these REITs and BDCs, man, this gonna go back to the 1150 range. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go buying dollars. How many shares I have? Hold on, sorry for the mix up. 34. Add me another 9 point something shares on there. And I'm gonna go in at that 1087. I'm gonna do 1090 just in case it don't hit it. Come close to it. 10.90. That down right there. It's gonna go back up. I should have got out. Got a 52-week high of 1381. I might get out around about 12 something. All right, definitely hit me a swing on that one. The AFCG, FBY. I'm watching this one. You know, this the option ETF on Meta. This got up yesterday like 1024. I'm watching the pattern on it. Let's look at Facebook. Meta. Must be down today. Yeah, which it is. So FBY. I got buy limit orders in at $10 though. I think I got an average calls of here is a cheap one, man, $9.77. So what I do with this one, I don't. I got another position in my Webull portfolio. So when this at around the 10 and under, I just add me $3 on the day. So that's one to watch out for. But I'm thinking about swing trading. The time it hit the $10, load up, sell it at 20, make me 24 cents, 20, 25 cents, rinse and repeat. Also, I brought some PayPal had bad earnings. I added some of this on to it. I brought it at $27.70. Got to see how much. I know I brought a couple shares. But this pay out every week also, like FBY, just for cash flow. But the point of me buying it was to lower my average calls. I was going to buy it at $27.70. When it ran up, I was going to sell it. Y'all just hold up and pause with me 1 second. With this Webull app, man. Well, Robinhood, like it take a long time to upload my stuff. It seemed like. I brought 7 shares. 7, 14, 17. We're going to call that 18 shares. Once you carry the ones, them little fractional. 18 shares at that price. I was going to sell them to lower my average cost to keep the remaining shares I had before that. Because right now I am at, hold on, I'm getting it together. I'm at 37.86. So I'm going to sell those 18. I could keep them. I'm afraid that this might dip lower than the 27.70. That's why I'm going to sell it at 28 something, whatever it was, the high for this week. Make me like $1 a share, $18. Keep the rest if it goes down. I already got it on recurring investment, $1 a day. And let that be that. I think somebody's supposed to be buying PayPal out. But we're going to see what's going to happen. DISO, Disney had good earnings. You know, they went up. They got up to $10.50. But even though these after the ex-dividend dates too, so after the ex-dividend date every week, they come on down. So that's why you can catch the pattern or the rhythm of that stock. Like it go from $10, like Disney, I was buying at 10 and under, 10 to down to like the $9.92. Then it shot up. I brought a bunch of shares. I'm at 1070. Like these are the shares here that I bought. Now hold on 1 second. Like I said, I got all balls. My phone ain't acting up. It's just this app, man. It's everything I brought at 10 and under. So if I can make me 50 something cent, I was gonna sell them. Cause if it comes back down to the $10, I can rinse and repeat again. So that's what I was looking at doing. Like I said, anytime you can do that, buy a bunch of it and lower your average cost quick, I tell people to do it. Another one I'm going to do it with is Horizon. I brought a bunch of shares at 4 and under, 4 to 385 range. Had good earnings, going to pay 6 cents a share a month. Can sell those, going to lower my average cost. Just in case it does go back down. I don't see this doing it, but just in case, I wanted to sell those shares at $4.77. This got a 1 year price estimate of $5.50, but you got to consider it has to have good earnings to get back to that price. So, like I said, you buy a bunch of shares, 1,000 shares, sell them, and then dollar cost average on in again. Do it over. MSFO, we did that. NFLX, Netflix. Got down to 87.21 today. Still got a 52-week low of $75. So I say, so don't load up on it. Just dollar cost average on in. And if you're going to do Netflix, I suggest you get NFLY. On the days you buy Netflix, go pick up a piece of NFLY. It just got down to, like it says, below the $10 range. So I got this on recurring investments anyway. $1 a day. On down days, I just go buy some more. This can come down more. If Netflix go to $75, these probably go down to the $8 range. We're hoping that it doesn't. But when Netflix flies, this gonna fly along with it. So gotta put yourself in the driver's seat. All right, let's go check out traps so we can get on out of here. Everybody can get to their short weekend. Kids got about, I know in Georgia and Savannah, got about 2 more weeks in school. They get out on the 21st. So they got next week and the week after. But they get out the weekend, the Thursday of Memorial Day weekend. I'm going to be in Myrtle Beach. I'm going to book my timeshare, so I'm going to go hang out there. Just to get away and go in and book my summer trips. I'm going to do San Antonio, Vegas, and I wanted to do Wisconsin, Wisconsin, but I couldn't get in on my timeshare. But I'm going to do San Antonio, Vegas, and Peoria, Arizona. And go hang out in the Phoenix area, see what Arizona about. Never been to Arizona before. Never been to San Antonio neither. So go check out those. Like I told people this year, I know if you watch my channel, you see a lot of videos of Costa Rica, Panama, and Dominican Republic. But I said I'm going to do more the domestic traveling for 2026. Really not feeling the United States, just to be honest. But I said, let me go check out the rest of it. Just came down to, not downing it, but talk down on it. Say I'm not feeling it when I never visited all of the states. So I said, let me just do that. GPMT is another one I'm going to be looking to. Probably the cut. LFT. It's another one I'm swing trading. Does have a nice dividend yield, but the earnings be sucking. So I just dollar cost average on in. So when it does squeeze, I can sell all the shares I brought cheap, rinse and repeat, keep the rest for the dividend. It'll add me another 25 shares on. RC got up to 216 and had bad earnings in the after hours, so I put a sell limit in at 216, selling my whole position. Gonna make my exit and get on out of there. They pay 1 cent a share dividend now. I think Aries, was it Aries? One of them BDCs had bad earnings. I can tell you once I reach it. 10.13% yield. It's another one I'm buying now. But we'll be selling when it runs up. OBDC, TCPC, gonna be other ones I'm buying and gonna get rid of also. Like I say, they miss earnings too. Let's pay a nice quarterly yield, but need to lower that average cost. Need to put them on recurring. $2 a day a piece and let them just buy it. That's what I'm gonna do with those. I need to do it with PMT too. Being at these prices till it run back up. PMT, OBDC, TCPC. So it could be buying while I'm not looking. Viatris had good earnings, got up to 17 something, but as usually people starting to take profit. PE ratio is negative 5.87, so this still got a lot of room to run. Then ABR. GSBD, Goldman Sachs, think miss earnings a little bit too. It's at 926. I should be up. I'm at $8.99. Keep in mind for that dividend they pay out every quarter. Definitely another nice one to swing trade. We can catch it under $9. When it ride up to about $9.30, sell it, rinse and repeat. XOMO oil stock. Y'all know oil coming down. Recurring $2 a day. Just let that do its thing. This we're going to do. I got rid of all of my Gladstone products. It's going to be the last one here. Nothing wrong with them. Like I said, I'm going to operate lean on REITs and BDCs. It's going to be just a matter of time before they start having consistent bad earnings. I gave y'all earn 8 cents a share every month. I'm up 20 cents a share, 4.36%. I told y'all it's going to go back to the $5 mark. Whether y'all want to listen to me or not is on y'all. But one thing I do while y'all at work, I trade the market all day. So that's what I do for a living, real estate and stocks. I'm a businessman. I got small businesses that I own. So, hey, man, do whatever you want with it. One thing about it, my receipts show. I show y'all my dividends every day, every week. I think I'm underrated on this. I think I should have more views and everything because I keep everything raw. I don't edit anything. I live trade. Most people live trade and they pay they Patreon only. You got to sign up and pay for it. I give it to y'all free. So, but a lot of people start out investing, then they quit. So that's another thing too. The RPT about to be looking good right there. ARCA, I put a buy sell limit order in at $6.49 for like 84 shares. I should have left it, but I took it off thinking it was gonna go back up. But it is what it is. So that's what I'm gonna do right there. I think it's like $485 worth. Get that back, buying at a lower price. Like I say, HOOW, oil stocks coming down, so start dollar cost averaging in those. Do not load up. And that's it, man. Y'all enjoy your weekend and take care.